Guys, what is up? I'm now making a burp video, and hopefully, I don't know what else video I'm making, even if I do make one. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but there's this one I made yesterday. It's Campfire, has no views. Please check out that, because obviously the thing that got me like 87 subscribers is burps. So, let's just get to some burps. Oh, my face is messy. Sorry about my face. It's messy like usual. Bitch. Oh, that was a fail.
Bitch. Video games. God. Earth. Dirty. Advance. What?
Oh. I hope you like this video. Wait, first of all, I need to mention my two friends' YouTube channel. Go check out Jordan Vasquez's YouTube channel. And go check out Max Bilkey's YouTube channel if you haven't already. So Jordan, just look up Birdman, and it should pop up, or look up Jordan Vasquez. It has a green thing on his profile picture. So, but actually look up Kid Doing Burps. My profile picture is the new 3DS. He was on some of my videos. So, don't click on those that are on my channel unless if you want to watch me. But if you want to check out Jordan Vasquez, go ahead, check him out. And Max Bilkey. So, hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe.
And goodbye. Peace out. Hopefully you subscribe. What is up, guys? I'm Taryn Henry, and I'm here to do burp video, mega burp. So what is up, guys? I'm Taryn Henry, and I'm here to do burp video, mega burp. So let's get in it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe definitely, and goodbye. Peace out.